Hello friends, it's Kathy Clement with Kathy by Design for the Button Farm Club, and I'm excited to share with you a sneak peek of what's coming in our card club kit. This is my subscription club, and so if you're subscribed, you'll automatically be billed and receive your kit in the mail. And if you're not subscribed, this is a great time to sign up because this kit is loaded. I just love it. We're making our Christmas cards, which is always my favorite kit of the year, and we're using Carta's Gorgeous Christmas in the City. You're going to get the 6x6 pad with 24 double-sided sheets of designer paper, and you're going to also get the 12x12. Just look at this collection. New York City is an iconic setting for Christmas, and if you've ever been there at Christmas time, it really is magnificent. And this captures the old glamour of Christmas past in New York City. So these 12x12 sheets are double-sided, filled with gorgeous images. I love this city scene, but there's so much in here. The sentiments are really good too. Ice skates, this really fun taxi cab with the Christmas tree on top, and this wonderful diagonal check, snowflakes, a really beautiful tone-on-tone muted pattern that works like a solid, 4x4s and 4x6s, so beautiful. And on the back side, stacked Christmas presents, vintage Christmas ornaments, and then another tone-on-tone with this sort of star print. A beautiful Christmas floral. I just love, this is maybe my next favorite. I love that city scene, but this is gorgeous. And the backside is this wonderful check. Then 4x6 journal cards. These are so great for card making. And this beautiful poinsettia print on the back. And snow globes. I love these. They're so cute. And another tone-on-tone print here. Christmas trees. Another tone-on-tone with this beautiful smoky blue. 4x4s, which again are perfect for card making with border strips on the back. I really like these border strips. Nutcrackers that you can also use as border strips or belly bands. This wonderful green plaid. And then, of course, the sticker sheet comes with the collection kit. In addition, you're going to get the Christmas solids. This is Carta cardstock, which is just primo. It's probably my favorite, like the texture, the quality, and you're going to get 6 sheets of this, double-sided. So this side is the reverse, right? And these are great for matting and card bases and folios. We're going to make so many things with this kit. And then I've designed 2 sheets of sentiments, snow globes, y'all, how fun is that? And these will come in your kit, but then you'll also have access to them in your digital account, so you can print as many as you want. 15 sheets of White Dove 110-pound cardstock. You're going to get the ephemera pack that goes with this collection, which is just loaded. We're going to have some fun with this too, and save your packaging because I've got some plans for that. 10 yards of gold string, and then 3 yards of red gingham ribbon and 2 yards of black gingham. You're going to get this really beautiful sparkly shaker mix, and look how cute these are. Buffalo plaid buttons. These are adorable, and they look great with the paper collection. And these are just Christmas buttons done up in buffalo plaid. It's going to be a beautiful accent on our cards. And these are wood, so they're really nice. And then a set of Christmas enamel charms. We've got a wreath, a Christmas tree, a snowflake, and of course, silver bells. You've got to have that if you're doing Christmas in the city. And 2 shaker envelopes window envelopes that we'll use to make our shaker cards. You'll also receive a full color printed basic written guide with detail photos and basic measurements and score lines, and you'll get links to the online video class that you can watch over and over again at your convenience as many times as you want. So, like I said, if you're subscribed, you don't have to do anything. Your kit will automatically come to you the end of this month. If you're not subscribed, this is a great time to subscribe because subscribers are guaranteed a kit. And you can purchase a kit separately, but honestly, the perks that Laura has for her club members are just amazing. So I highly recommend that you subscribe. You can cancel anytime. There's no obligation. You can skip specific kits if you want to. So it's a really good deal. And I can't wait to show you what I'm going to make with this beautiful paper collection. So what are we making? Well, I knew I liked this collection, but once I started working with it, I fell in love with it. It has a really wonderful nostalgic feel, and the colors and the patterns just work together so beautifully. So we kick things off with 2 shaker window cards. These have little gift card pockets inside and room to write a note. And then we go ahead and create a couple of 7x5 double door cards. How fun is this? You open the door and the little mechanism causes these side flaps to come out. And of course you can always write a note on the back. So there are 2 of these in these dreamy, dreamy patterns. I just love this design and I love this paper. Then we have a couple of belly band cards. Here's our fun snow globe. And this opens like this. And there's a little pop-up panel on the inside with a little gift card pocket at the bottom. So we make 2 of those. Here's the second one. Oh, and I added printable poinsettias and holly. And if you're a member of the card kit, those will come in your kit. And if you're not a member, you can buy them separately for a small fee. Or you can subscribe and get them for free. These are a really fun pull-out pocket. And then I love to have a little pocket card because this is a great place to add in a little bit of chocolate or a tea bag, a gift card. There's a little bookmark. There's a little photo mat, so you can put your family photo there before you send it out. And on the back, there's room to write a note. So these are easy to mail. They're pretty flat. And these are pretty even after the photos and the tags are taken out. I just think they're beautiful. Gives you a great place to store holiday photos too. This is another fun pop-up card. This is a book card. So the inside, this raised area looks like a book. So these are great for display. I always like to make display cards at Christmas. So you can display it this way or you can display it open. Either way is really beautiful. Another little belly band gatefold, gift card pocket. This one is really pretty. And then I always like to do a simple folio with our Christmas card kit so you have a place to put some of your favorite holiday photos or send a gift to loved ones that are far away with recent pictures. So this front has a little shaker cover, sweet little wreath charm. Inside we have a slash pocket with a photo mat. And of course you can tuck extra photos in the pocket. And a little journal tag. Over here we have a little side pocket with a couple of little tags, and of course you can tuck a gift card or a tea bag in there. This flips open. There's another little photo mat here, double-sided. And over here we have a little mini waterfall with room for 3x3 or 3¼ by 3¼ photos on the back. So this is a really sweet little folio. And then, if that's not enough, this is card number 15, 16, 17, 18. So we make 18 cards and a folio in this kit, which is amazing. So that should cover you for your Christmas season. And like, these are great for thank you cards. They're blank on the inside. But they're great for Christmas cards, or if you like to write a little Christmas letter. So that is the September card kit for Button Farm Club. This is my subscription card kit again. So if you're subscribed, you're guaranteed a kit, and it will automatically bill and be shipped to you the end of this month. If you're not subscribed, this is a great time to subscribe because you get this wonderful kit. You're going to get discounts. You're going to get the extra printables. And you get to get everything I make over the course of the coming year. So it's really a win-win. If you're not subscribed, you can still order a kit, but subscribers get their kits first. So that's how that works. Anyway, that's it for me, Kathy Clement, Kathy by Design, for the Button Farm Club, getting ready for the holidays. All right, guys, thanks for joining me. Go get your craft on. Bye.